Is your child fuzzy and constantly tugging or pulling his ear? If so, then it is quite possible that your child may have suffering from ear pain. Here are the home remedies for ear pain in kids. Herbal ear drops. A few studies have shown that a mixture of various herbs in a carrier oil, such as olive oil, may be as effective and antiseptic drops in treating ear pain associated with ear infections. Mixture may include garlic, mullein, acid Johnson wort, and calendula. Garlic is known to have analgesic, antibiotic, and antiviral properties. Mullein has been widely used to treat ear infection and may have antiviral properties. Be sure to dilute any oil used and use it sparingly as they can be irritating in the eardrum and cause additional pain. So number 2 is warm compress. As soon as possible, apply some heat to the painful ear to bring some comfort. The heat will reduce pain. Dip a clean washcloth in lukewarm water. Wring out the excess water and place the washcloth on the painful area for 5 minutes. Wait 10 minutes, then repeat the process as needed. Alternatively, press a warm water bottle or heating pad against the painful ear. Another option is to heat 1 cup of salt on stove in the microwave. Put the warm salt on the piece of cloth, tie it bundle and place it on the affected ear for 10 minutes at a time.